Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Xbox PC. So today I'm gonna show you how to redeem your gift card on Xbox PC application. So first of all, you need on your profile icon. You need to click on your profile icon on the Xbox PC on the top left corner. Click on that. Then you need to go on settings. Then you can see here option redeem a code. Click on the redeem option. Then you need to put the 25 character code to redeem your code. So be sure your redeem code is not expired and the details are correct. Then you need to click on next, and this is how you can redeem your code. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. So bye.